Hey everyone! I know you are all burnt out on Zoom and craving social interaction or just a day to Netflix and chill, particularly today with the rain. I just wanted to let you know of a few upcoming events that may have gotten lost in your email, such as the Walker Business Connections, which is coming up on September 30th. It is a professional development and career program for all students in the Walker College of Business. It's a virtual event this year, but a great opportunity to get connected with people in the business industry, an opportunity to score an internship and maybe a job placement. So please click on the link that I included in today's email to learn more about this upcoming event. Secondly, I am launching a program in the Brantley Risk and Insurance Center called Building Insurance Talent. It is a program for freshmen, sophomore, and transfer students from underrepresented backgrounds who are willing to spend 8 weeks with me exploring careers in insurance and risk management. When we typically think of underrepresented backgrounds, we often just think about race, but it also includes international students, students from LGBTQIA communities, various abilities, first generation students from rural communities, as well as veteran students. So if you are interested, please fill out the form that is linked today, in today's email. This Friday, is the last day to let Lacey and the Brantley Center know that you're interested in joining NAIA, the National African American Insurance Association. They have a student membership program that gives you access to their job board, but it also creates an opportunity to attend a number of virtual workshops. They have a lot of web-based material, and it's a great way to connect to other people in the insurance industry. Next, please read your emails from Greg and from Jason with Gamma Iota Sigma. If you are not a member of Gamma Iota Sigma, please consider joining today. It is free, and there are just a couple of things that you have to do to solidify your membership. Next is the Boyles lecture series. We're really excited to have Jose Minana join us, and if you would please pre-register for that event, it does count towards the summit certificate. Lastly, and most importantly, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm really not bothered by students visiting me, texting me, emailing me. So contact me. I'm here to talk to you about class, but also to talk to you about things like career opportunities, how to navigate college classes, or just to sit and listen to you vent about how crummy Zoom is. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a great weekend.